We are P-Valley!
The Pequea Valley Intermediate School.
Video.
Audio.
Lighting.
Experts.
AFP with locations in California, Wisconsin, and right here in New Holland, PA. This is the world headquarters of advanced food products.
The manufacturers of aseptically packaged cheese sauces, puddings, cheese flavorings, and dips.
When you were in school, did your teachers think manufacturing was cool?
During high school, anytime that I would hear someone talking about manufacturing, in my head right away I would picture like a line of people just working hours and hours and hours.
I was getting the story of you're going to be working night shift, you're going to be working 12 hours at a time, no breaks, and it's going to be a lot of manual labor. So, you know, do well in my class.
I originally grew up in New York City. When I went to school over there, they really heavy on going to college, getting a degree.
Times have changed and manufacturing is cool. And you can work your way up to a job that's even more cool.
What I enjoyed about manufacturing is that you could actually start in a location, even if it was just putting cardboard into a machine, and then could actually learn and see the different jobs that are going around for you and find different directions and different career paths for you to go through.
One of the cool things about manufacturing is that you get to taste the products.
So we do the solids, we make sure that the colors look good, temperature is good, the pH is good. It keeps me on my toes. I learn something new, and I feel like in this company, I get a big chance of like going up in the ladder.
My position's pretty cool because I get to know all the names of all the employees, and I get to know people's skills, and I get to see them develop those skills.
It's very fun to figure out problems and troubleshoot things that you would never even think could break or happen to a piece of equipment or machinery.
I'm an assistant supervisor, so by learning everything that I have from packaging, processing, everywhere else, it was able for me to move up the line and do what I do now.
I feel like my position is the coolest position. You have all the ingredients, you can't do anything with them separately, you have to mix them all together a certain way, and that's pretty much what I do.
And even without the college degree, you can end up in positions and actually have control of what you want to do and how you want the plant to be.
Thank you to all of our sponsors for making this experience possible for us.